Deciding on getting a home? Well, guess which part of the home has the most germ-infested area? Most people think that it would be their toilet bowl. Contrary to that belief, it is actually the grout between your flooring. We are getting down and dirty to show you the difference between a default cement grout and a better grade grout. Most grouts are made out of cement, which is a porous material, which just means that it has pores. That small little holes would eventually collect dirt, water, mold, and all the other things you do not want in your home. So the first thought that you will have is, why can't I just use soap or detergent to scrub it away? Well, that just scrapes away all cement and it eventually leaves bigger holes that leave spaces for bacteria and germs to grow. In some cases, even worms start to breed in the holes. This is when Grout Protect comes in. Just like the name states, they are here to protect your tiles with a grouting solution. Grout Protect is the only company in Singapore to do all types of brands of grouting, notably using acrylic epoxy instead of the usual cement. These are the benefits of acrylic epoxy. Waterproof, so mildew, mold, or bacteria cannot get beneath the surface. It is resistant to stains, abrasions, breakage, chemicals. It is also easily cleaned and a range of colors to match your preferences. It is used for residential houses, commercial, industrial, and heavy commercial places. It leaves no cracks and it is less costly to maintain the cement grout. We understand that these things can be overwhelming, especially when you are new to it. This is why Grout Protect is here to help you every step of the way, where they provide professional and excellent workmanship. Or if you want to get busy, you can even do it yourself with their recommendations and their flagship products. To find out more, you can click on the link below.